Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. At this point, my 2021 F-150 is now 72,000 miles. Recently, my truck started hard idling. It mainly happens when my truck is warmed up and after I stop at an intersection for more than 10 to 15 seconds. Initially, I thought nothing of it and attributed it to Ford's factory tuning the engine to idle the RPM as low as possible for fuel efficiency reasons. After talking to one of our subscribers, Quick Wrench Tool Junkie, I did a test on the purge valve and learned that it wasn't closing all the way. The purge valve is an electronically controlled valve in the engine's evap system. Its purpose is to prevent fuel tank vapors from entering the atmosphere by diverting the vapors into the engine to get burnt off. But before we go any further, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I got a lot of content around car maintenance and my F-150, so make sure to subscribe to not miss out. So how did I test a purge valve? There's a lot of video on YouTube to walk you through how to do this, but essentially I disconnected the vapor line, started the engine cold, and placed my finger on this end of the purge valve. Mind you, this valve is typically closed, especially when starting up on a cold engine. So when I did it right away, there was vacuum indicating a faulty solenoid. I ended up picking up a brand new one at the dealership for about 130 bucks and I installed it myself. It was really easy. I'll show you. All right, folks, this is the purge valve. So this line goes into the fuel tank, this goes into the air hose, and this one goes into the intake manifold. In order to remove this, you just have to press these clips right here together, like I'm doing here, and then you push up. Then you slowly push up, and then you just pull it. Just like that. On the line that goes into the intake manifold, this same connection is on that side right there. So same thing, you pull the clips and then get it all the way out and then pull it. We're on the passenger side now. This is the electrical connection that goes into the purge valve, and essentially all you gotta do is push that tab towards the vehicle. So let's do that. See, so this guy just slides out, push in like this, and out it goes. And then it's just the reverse in order to reinstall it. Just push it and then slide this clip back in place. Once you're done disconnecting this hose and this hose, all you got to do is pull up. There's no screws or anything holding this purge valve down to the anchor point. It's just like a rubber grommet of some sort that holds it in place. It really isn't that hard to do this. It took me between 15 to 20 minutes in order to fully swap it out. And the bulk of the time was really to remove these hoses, because once you remove those clips, some of the hoses, they might be a little stuck on there. What I did was I just gently pulled at it until it fully loosens and comes out. After replacing the purge valve, the engine idles significantly smoother, and while it hasn't been long since replacing it that I made this video, I have noticed an improvement on the MPG. To wrap it up, moving forward, I'll test and replace this purge valve every 30,000 miles. And in this way, I can minimize any potential strain and wear on the engine resulting from the rough idling. All right, before I close it out, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps. Bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.